you a little story about what happened to me one day. I packed my bag and set off on my summer holiday. I wandered far away from home, I was without a care. When a ruined castle came in view, I had to stop and stare. I have a great curiosity, like many a man before. Though it was growing dark, I had to enter and explore. I went from room to room, and then a chill ran through my skin. Cross-legged on a coffin set, a vampire would agree. I almost ran away, but I was paralyzed and with fear. The vampire walked right over, and he greeted me with cheer. Hello, my name is Xavier. If you'd like to stay, feel free. 'Cause I know a place where we can talk. Come and follow me. With him in front and me behind, we walked many hours, it seemed. Then came into a great big room where brilliant light gleamed. I saw a sight that made me think my time was running out. There were 50 vampires in that room, cavorting all about. Don't tell me you're afraid of us, said Xavier pleasantly. I have to be, I answered. You might drink my blood from me. Please, Xavier, show me to the door. I must be on my way. But we are giving you a party, said my friend. You have to stay. To my surprise, the vampire formed a circle, and one and all, right through the night they sang and danced and had themselves a ball. Till glancing through the curtains with their pattern red and white, I realized it must be day, the sky was growing light. The sunshine in a room, it caused a happening very queer. For one by one the vampires all began to disappear. I heard the voice of Xavier say, I'm sorry to relate, you human beings know nothing else but cruelty and hate. While homeward bound, I understood what Xavier had in mind. That anyone can be a friend if you will just be kind. So vampires all, if you should go and want to visit me, come and share my room and welcome to my hospitality.